If your homemade pizza keeps coming out soft on the bottom, uneven in the middle, or just missing that restaurant-style crisp, you're not alone. Most people blame the dough or the toppings, but the real issue is usually the surface you're baking on. Standard trays just don't hold heat the right way, and that's exactly what the Heritage 15-inch ceramic pizza stone set is designed to fix. So this is the Heritage 15-inch ceramic pizza stone, a kitchen tool built for home cooks who want consistently crisp pizza, better bread, and more reliable baking results without complicated equipment. It's aimed at anyone who enjoys homemade pizza nights, casual baking, or upgrading their oven results without stepping into professional gear. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, it has a clean, minimal design that feels more like a proper kitchen tool than a gimmick. The black ceramic finish gives it a solid, slightly premium feel, and it doesn't look like something you'd treat delicately. It's designed to handle high heat while staying stable, which matters because a lot of cheaper stones tend to feel fragile or overly porous. The surface also has a smoother, coated texture, which immediately suggests easier cleanup compared to raw stone alternatives. In real use, the main advantage shows up in how it handles heat. Once preheated, the stone retains and distributes temperature evenly across the surface, which is what creates that crisp base people struggle to achieve in a normal oven. Instead of heat hitting the top of your pizza first, the stone starts cooking from the bottom immediately, giving you a more balanced bake. That's where the difference really becomes noticeable. The first time you use it, you'll likely notice how quickly the crust starts to firm up compared to a baking tray. Pizza develops a more structured base, bread gets a better rise with a firmer outer layer, and even reheated food gains back some texture instead of turning soggy. It's not just about pizza, either, because this kind of even heat distribution improves anything that depends on a solid bottom crust. One of the more convenient aspects is the non-stick glazed surface. Dough doesn't cling as easily, which makes transferring pizza in and out of the oven less stressful, especially if you're not using a peel yet. Cleanup is also noticeably easier. Instead of scrubbing or soaking like with traditional porous stones, most residue wipes off with warm, soapy water once it cools down. Now, there are a couple of practical things to be aware of. Like all ceramic stones, it needs proper preheating time. You can't rush it or drop food onto a cold surface and expect good results. There's also a small learning curve if you're switching from metal trays because the heat transfer is more aggressive. But once you adjust to that rhythm, it becomes very predictable. It's also worth mentioning that while the glazed surface makes cleaning easier, it slightly changes how it seasons over time compared to raw stone or steel. Some users prefer that natural seasoned look from traditional stones, while others will appreciate the cleaner appearance this maintains. It really depends on what kind of cooking experience you prefer. Compared to standard pizza stones in the same price range, the Heritage ceramic stone stands out mainly for its non-stick coating and easier maintenance. Many basic stones offer decent heat retention, but struggle with sticking and staining over time. On the other hand, pizza steels offer faster heat transfer and more intense crust results, but they come with a higher learning curve and more aggressive cooking behavior. This ceramic stone sits in a comfortable middle zone where you get improved baking without needing to adjust your entire cooking style. Overall, the Heritage 15-inch ceramic pizza stone feels like a simple but effective upgrade for home kitchens. It doesn't try to overcomplicate things or replace professional equipment. Instead, it quietly fixes one of the biggest issues in home baking, which is inconsistent heat from the oven floor. If you've been frustrated with soggy pizza or uneven baking results, this is one of those tools that can make your oven feel a lot more capable without changing how you cook too much. The link is in the description if you want to check pricing or details. And if this review helped you, feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.